Dear friends, I'd like to invite you to the annual conference of Emirates Urological Society 2022. This year it will be joined with Pan Arab Continence Society in partnership with ICS and IUC. I'd like to highlight the variety of topics that will be covered in the program, focusing on voiding dysfunction and urinary incontinence, in addition to other subspecialty of urology. The most important is the variety of format that you will have in EUSC 2022. In addition to plenary sessions, roundtable discussions, debates, panel, live surgery, we have variety of workshops that will help to improve the skills of all subspecialty relevant to urology. I'd like to invite all of you to actively participate in EUSC 2022 and welcome you in Dubai. Thank you.